Hello,
Hello,
guys.
guys.
Okay.
Okay, who's gonna make the
I will. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the world of Glacier. Remember, last time when we left off is we told you we were gonna be adding some adjustments to the house while we were offline, and well, we did ish.
Yeah,
So
yeah, a
we
little bit.
built the house. We got a bed. We got some doors.
Yeah, I know it's been a while since we've done this series of Glacier because we've been busy with some other
Stuff. You guys can go
yeah,
check
other
the.
series.
You guys
Yeah,
can go
make sure
check out
you
them
check those
videos.
out.
And yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy the video, and you guys will just be seeing us right now. And I don't have torches because I'm like a total noob.
Yeah. So far, we haven't died yet.
Oh wait, I could have torches. So yeah, guys, we haven't died. I don't even think a night has even passed, has it?
Not really.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh
okay.
yeah, not really.
Well,
Oh yeah, and I've changed my skin.
to
Yeah.
a person that doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, person.
I still have my same skin. You're welcome, guys.
Make sure you put in the comments if you want him to change his skin, and hopefully.
Or if you want him to change his skin back, cause
Back. I don't want to.
look at his skin. It's nasty.
How come you have a sword?
Cause I made one. You know, out of sticks and stones.
I'm gonna take
Like sticks and stones may break this cow's bones,
Oh yeah.
and you'll give him his meat.
I was doing some hunting. Like Rain Liquid got the resources and I got the food. I did find a bunch, and I'll take you to the place right now. It's like this way. I was just like looking for food, and I found like a bunch of food. It's like more in the forest kind of.
And I
Like
found this
there,
chicken, and I
you see
slayed
there's
the
a pig
chicken.
already,
Well,
and more pigs over there.
the city of biome is meant for pigs, I think.
And there was a bunch of cows, but I slaughtered most of them. I let the rest have a life. And actually, I haven't done a bunch of exploring. I've only got that part down. What about you? What exploring have you done? None?
Okay,
Okay.
so I've been doing exploring. I'm pretty sure in the cave because I don't know. It's been so long, so that's why I said pretty sure. But yeah, that's because I found some coal, and you don't have any coal, I bet you.
Oh, there we go. Look.
And
More cows.
I just went hunting,
Kids.
so
I didn't. I'm not taking any
we really should have
any
been moving.
animals down
What
because.
is the biggest fail in football history?
We should have really been like.
Okay, guys,
Skipping
electric
this down.
shocks in the gaming room. Welcome to the club life.
Get out of here.
Give me some.
Guys, I failed on this
Okay,
pizza.
I found a deep hole.
I want to see this way.
Okay. It's dark in here.
So I will be making our room.
It's dark in here. I found some iron, by the way.
Iron? Why didn't you get it?
Because I have a wooden pickaxe.
Noob.
It's not my fault you took all the... Oh, man.
Yeah, he couldn't finish sentences because he doesn't know how to pwn me.
You took all the rest of the stone, so I had to come with this
Gotta change some settings, guys. Hold on. Holy moly, we is doing good. We is doing good. We is doing. You can't join.
It's right there.
You can't join, dude. For real.
This is Glacier.
I'm gonna go play on Dragon.
And Blizzard just saying I found more stuff. Unlike you can't find anything.
I found iron.
You're a numbscrub. Get out of here.
A bunch of food.
That was fun,
Oh no. No. Oh my, I almost died, guys.
I'm pretty sure you did that, guys. It just rage quit.
No. You would have seen my death message. Yeah, he died. 5 seconds ago. By some gravel.
Buy some coal out of nowhere somehow.
Holy vicious.
I've got my room set up. I don't know about you.
Oh wow. Dude, I don't think.
You don't think you're good at Minecraft? Wow.
No, I don't think.
When did you realize that?
I haven't realized that yet. It's not true.
you just actually you just.
I will never realize it. Well,
No.
'cause I can't.
I'm
'Cause
gonna-
I can't realize because
Ye-
it's. How can I realize something that's not real? Get?
All right. So that I took your bed.
Oh my gosh! I can't mine.
Cause you're retarded. I don't know. Just like a theory.
Ugh.
Wow, dude, I got an axe. Ooh.
Well, guess what? I got some coal.
Well, guess what? I have coal still. I have 19. How much do you have? One.
That's
Well,
why.
that's not fair.
My.
Oh yeah, guys. I
When
want.
you guys are finished playing Nebulous,
And.
Oh no! I keep on. Falling.
Ooh.
Have you ever heard of the game Nebulous?
Ooh. It's free at the App Store. Be sure you guys download it.
We're advertising Nebulous.
Nebulous, you always. I'm just kidding, guys.
We'll probably be making a video about that next time, which will be like right after this.
I don't know. You might. I don't know.
I'm going to.
I might.
Pretty fun game. It's like a Gario.
Yeah, it's like more
More competitive, more challenging. It's just better overall.
in clans. So like,
It's actually not more challenging. It's actually less challenging. I can get on the leaderboard like nothing.
No, I can't. No, I can't. Being number one overall is the best. Am I right?
What?
Or just sponge.
Whoa. Whoa. That just. Oh, it's like. Oh, I've been disconnected, guys. I've been disconnected.
what's going on?
This is probably going to end it, guys. We'll be back when it actually works. So, peace out.